Hey guys, this is Jumpingbean210. Thanks for checking back with me. This is my second video, and I'm really excited because today we're going to do some painting. All you'll need is a couple things of green paint. You can have just one color or a couple of different shades, some brown, and if you want your brown paint to look lighter, some white paint. You'll also need a paintbrush and a cup of water, and again, you can have optional stickers of like animals, but also you can draw your animals, but I'm going to do the stickers. So first, dip your paint in the water and just take it off and put in the shade of green. You're going to have to do it tiny if you want these to look either normal or gigantic. You can make them look really tiny if you do really tiny, or if you do really tiny art. Okay, so just do your couple blades of grass. It's kind of hard to do it lightly, so you're going to have to put in the water a couple times. So you can mix colors like what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this light green, and then I'm going to put a dark green over it. And I might put in some brown for like dead grass. Try to put like taller grass, shorter grass, and like crazy grass, so it all looks different. You can do it just in the middle or side to side or however you want. I'm just going to do it kind of in the middle. Okay, I'm finished with that. So I'm going to wet my brush and then put it in the dark green and then go over it. Sometimes you can mix the colors like I'm doing, but I might leave some just normal spots for how it looked before. Okay, so I have my grass. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint a big tree right on the side. You could put a little hole in it, a little black hole that looks like an animal lives in it. Like, you don't have to copy exactly what I do, just put your own little twist on it and make it your own.
Wow.
Okay. So I have my tree trunk. I'm going to mix it with some white to make it look lighter.
Come here.
Okay, so my tree trunk is in a color that I like it. So then, mix the colors again to make it like a tree. I'm going to mix in the brown this time.
You have to watch this funny song video. Not this one.
I like to give my paintbrush a pretty bad hair day so it looks like leaves
Reminds me of you.
on a tree. Okay. Spread it out evenly. Okay, so there's that. So you can either paint an animal, which is fine, or you can take stickers like I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this rhinoceros and put him right in the middle of everything. So he's like the main character. And then I'm going to add, I think I'll add a lion right here by the tree. I'll also add a butterfly right here. So there's the project for today. I hope you liked it. And remember to go on Wonderful Waffles 5000 channel and watch his glitches for Black Ops and Modern Warfare 3. He's my brother. He's really good. And check back next week. Bye.